If you teach young ESL learners, these ready-to-use sea animal flashcards will save you prep time.
Hello, ESL teachers! Are you looking for a fun and effective way to teach vocabulary? Flashcards are a must-have tool for engaging students and making new words stick. Today, I'll show you how to teach sea animals with flashcards in an exciting, interactive way. I'm Teacher Meg, and this is my awesome student, Amy.
Hi, everyone! Ooh, are we going on an ocean adventure, Teacher Meg?
Yes! Grab your snorkel, Amy, because we're diving deep into the sea. Let's start with our vocabulary words. All right, Amy, I will say the word first, and you repeat after me. All right, let's start. Sea.
Sea.
We are swimming in the sea. Whoosh! Can you swim, Amy?
Splish, splash, I'm swimming, teacher.
Great swimming skills. Next, look at this. Waves.
Waves.
All right, Amy, let's find something that lives in the sea. Ready? Seaweed.
Seaweed.
It looks like underwater spaghetti. Would you eat seaweed, Amy?
Maybe, but only if it's yummy.
Good answer. Now let's meet some sea creatures. Fish.
Fish.
Blub, blub, blub. Let's be fish. What sound do fish make, Amy?
I think they just say blub blub.
Exactly. Now let's meet a super smart animal. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
E, E, E. Dolphins love to jump and play. Amy, can you jump like a dolphin?
Wait, I'm a dolphin.
You're a great dolphin. Let's see another sea friend. Squid.
Squid.
They have long, wiggly arms. Let's wiggle like a squid. Silly squid, Amy. Now what about this one? Octopus.
Octopus. They have 8 arms.
That's a lot of arms. Imagine eating pizza with 8 arms. So fast.
I'd eat 8 slices at once.
Octopus Amy, the pizza champion. Ready to meet some deep sea creatures? Let's go deep, deep, deep. Now let's see what's next. Seal.
Seal. Arf, arf.
Great seal sounds, Amy. Seals love to swim and play. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Did you know seahorses are tiny but super special? The daddies carry the babies.
Whoa, that's so cool.
All right, Amy, let's see what's next. Starfish.
Starfish.
Look at you, Amy. You're a real-life starfish. All right, Amy. Next, we have clam.
Clam.
Great job. Clams love to hide in their shells. Peekaboo. All right, let's see what we have here. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp may be small, but they're great swimmers. Okay, Amy, let's keep going. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
They look like squishy balloons, but uh-oh, don't touch. They sting. Now, let's meet a slow and steady friend. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles swim gracefully, but on land, they walk slowly. Can you walk like a turtle, Amy?
I'm walking like a turtle.
Great job. But let's speed things up with our next sea creature. Eel.
Eel.
Eels are long and slippery, and they hide in rocks. Great job, Amy. Now let's meet something big. Whale.
Whale.
Whales are huge. Amy, can you make a big whale sound? Wow, that's the best whale sound ever. And now, our final sea animal, shark.
Shark. Watch out, the shark is coming.
Ah, save me, Amy.
Don't worry, I'll swim fast.
Wow, what an amazing ocean adventure.
I had so much fun. Can we do more flashcards soon?
Of course, Amy. Learning with flashcards is so much fun. We'll do more in our next lesson. Bye, Amy. You did so well. See you in our next lesson. ESL teachers, see how fun flashcards can be. They're not just for reading, they're for moving, playing, and laughing. And teachers, remember? Flashcards help students see, hear, say, and act out new words, making learning stick. Try them in your next lesson. Bye, teachers. Happy teaching.